The mysterious key. He follows the path on the map. Birds sing in the trees. The sun shines through the leaves. After some time, he finds a big tree with wide roots. He thinks this must be the place. He digs near the tree. After a few minutes, he finds a metal box with a keyhole. Ollie takes out the key and opens it. Inside the metal box, there is a pocket watch, a small notebook, some coins, and an old photo. The photo shows a man standing near the same tree. Ollie opens the notebook. The first page says, Hazen Ilmaz, 1912. That's my great-grandfather, says Ollie. The notebook has short stories and some drawings. It talks about a war and family memories. Words: path, dig, root, keyhole, shine, notebook, photo, pocket watch, memory, drawing.